Hey, Dee from Majin Gachtina, Kunasatoshiv. So today for our Irish activity we have this page 135 of our Bua na Caint. I've put up a picture already, so you should have all of that to help you. So what it entails is reading a couple of sentences here, okay? It's all about taking a coat off, okay? Taking a coat off, and we are using, so last week we were looking at the other day we were looking at these words: urim, ert, air, urhi. So on me, on you, on her, on him. Okay, ta lena air. There's a shirt on him. Okay, and that sort of word is it's a prepositional pronoun. Okay, but don't worry about the terminology. It's just a pronoun is a way of showing who's doing something, or who a sentence refers to without saying a name. Okay, so rather than saying Johnny took the coat off Johnny, you'd say he took the coat off himself. Okay, that's what a pronoun is. It just gets rid of the actual person. Okay, so I went to the shops. Okay, he went to the shops. They're pronouns. Okay, so the pronoun we're looking at today is de. Okay, de, de, not to be mistaken with du. Okay, we've done du before. Okay, dum, ditch, do, di, doin, div, dove. Okay, is anam dum, is anam ditch, is anam do. Okay, we are looking at, as I said, de, de, and that means off. Okay, so off, because in these sentences we are taking a coat off. Okay, I'm taking a coat off, he's taking a coat off, she's taking a coat off, they are taking a coat off, we are taking a coat off, etc. Okay, so we can see here, so me, may, bhuin may mo chóta diam. Bhuin may mo chóta diam. I took bhuin may mo chóta diam off me. Okay, diam, de may, I took it off me. Bhuin may mo chóta diam. Okay, bhuin tú, you took. Bhuin tú do chóta, your coat. Bhuin tú do chóta diet. Sé, so him. Bhuin sé a chóta de. He took his coat off him. Bhuin sé a chóta de. Bhuin she a chóta di. So notice there's no H on the chóta there. Okay, a chóta, his coat. A chóta, her coat. Bhuin she a chóta di, or di. Bhuinamer, so guys, this is a little bit of a reminder of our I'm Shirchacha, our past tense, regular verbs. Bhuinamer, we took. So bhuin may, bhuin tú, bhuin sé, bhuin she, bhuinamer. Bhuinamer, our goatee, our coats. Bhuinamer, our goatee, Dean. Dean is off of us. Okay, bhuinamer, our goatee, Dean. Bhuin shiv, so you all. Bhuin shiv, ver goatee, div. Slightly different to div. Okay, so div. Bhuin shiv, ver goatee, div. Okay, so you might hear me when we're in school, when you come in, I sometimes say to you, Buinigi ver goatee div. Take your coats off. Buinigi ver goatee div. Okay? Or if I'm talking to one person, you might hear me say, Johnny, buin tú do chóta diet. Take your coat off. Buin tú do chóta diet. Okay, and the last one, siad they, bhuin siad a goti díobh. Okay, so it is a little bit tricky, kind of just identifying the difference and really getting to know the difference between, you know, du and de. You know, Ross is anam dum, but this is diem, bhuin me mo chóta diem. Okay, so we have our little penguin here helping us here. Me, so me, diem, tu, you, diet, she, de, she, di, shin, deen, shin is us, so we, deen, shiv, div, shiv being you all, you plural. So if I'm talking to more than one person, if I'm talking to 2 or 3 people together, I'd say buinigi for cóta díobh. Okay, and then she, them, díobh. Okay, so lean the barony, fill in the gaps. Okay, fill in the blanks. So some of them are easy enough to figure out over here. Okay, me, me, bhuin me mo chóta, Liam is it boy, he, bhuin she. Okay, but here we have na chalíní, bhuin siad a goti, siad. Okay, so it should be quite easy there. Okay, shin, bhuinimer or goti. Okay. And these are all sentences that you would be hearing me saying in class when we come in from yard and things like that. Okay, buinigi for goti díobh. So it's very important to get used to these. Okay, slán the fall.